Welcome PyCoders to the core Python tutorials for the beginner. So in this tutorial we will talk about operators in Python. There are basically 6 operators in Python programming, which is called as arithmetic, relational, then logical operator, assignment operator, and in a special operator we will have two basic operator, which is called as identity operator and membership operator, and we will have the last one is nothing but a bitwise operator. So let's have some examples in arithmetic operator. Obviously the arithmetic operator that we know is plus, minus, multiplication, divide, floor division, percentage, and then the exponentials, right? So we have talked about this, but again, let's have some example on the same. So I'm just opening my Python ideally. So let's have the example about plus. So 2 plus 3, yeah, it's got executes. Then minus 10 minus 4, yes, it got executes. Then multiplication, suppose 10 multiplied by 2, yeah, and the floor division. By these two different operator we know, by the Python division it seems it will gauge the values in between there. If suppose the values are integer and we are dividing them, then the output must be in a float. To get the integer value we want to use the floor division like this. So the floor division will working on the by such a way. Again, what if like we will have, we need to works on a power of, so power of double multiplied by we can work with. So all these examples are came in a arithmetic operator. So arithmetic operator we will have such a operator: plus, minus, multiplication, division, floor division, then percentage will gives us the remainder, and this exponentials means the power of we want to calculate. Then the relational operator will set the value either true, false, means like it will compare the value by their comparison operator, like equal to, not equal to, then greater than, less than, greater than, equal to, less than, equal to. For that we will take a single example. We will set the value of a equal to 10. We will set the value of b equal to 20. Now I need to check a equal to b. So what I will do is I write in a print a equal to b. So what it throws, either a true or a false. Obviously false, because the 10 and 20 is not equal. So it says the output comes in a false. Again print, I said a is not equal to b. If I am working like this, yeah, true. The reason, because the 10 and 20 is not equivalent, that's why it falls as a true. What if like I will use print a is greater than b? Yes, false, because the value of 10 is not greater than 20, and vice versa. Print a is less than b. Yes, it throws a true value because the 10 is less than 20. All right. And what if like we want to use the same one, print a is greater than or equal to b? It says false. And same thing, print a is less than or equal to b. Again it seems as a true. All right. So these operators that we have been working as a relational operator. The logical operators are normally called and or not. In normal programming, for demonstrating an and, we will use double ampersand. For demonstrating or, we will use pipe symbol, and for demonstrating not, we will use exclamatory symbol over to there. But the Python will directly associated with the and or not. What if like I just print the same one, print a and b? See the output it comes for. The output must be the 20, because 10 and 20, whatever the largest value it will take and it will got printed on the screen. And what if like print a or b? Again it will says 10. The reason, because in or operator whatever the less value it will got printed on the screen. And if not, you want to use print a not b, so it will says an syntax error, because the not is in any kind of conditions we can use. We cannot use the not inside the print only. The not will be used in decision control structure. So at the decision control structure we will have the programs for and or not very perfectly. All right. So these are the logical operators that we will have. The assignments operators are to be used, like suppose I need to add a plus equal to 5. What it means, if I am printing the value of a right now, so the value of a is 5 plus automatically got be done. And the similar operation it can be done for the minus, it can be done for the multiplication, it can be done for the division too. Now we will have two special operators in Python. One is called as a identity operator, another one is a membership operator. Now the identity operator, it seems, has working on is and is not, and the membership operator is working on in and in not. Okay, so where that operator wants to be used, the identity operator are used for checking the equivalence instead of if and else. Okay, so how it will be like, consider what I will do is I will just close this Python shell and I will reopen the Python shell. I consider a part of example. Suppose I will have the value of string like a equal to, suppose my name Suraj, and I have the value of is like lead soft. Right, so these two string that we will have, what if like I'm printing print a is b. Okay, now let's check the output and then we will have the explanation. It says a false. What it means, that is operator is directly checking with their contents, and if they follows the contents are going to be matched, then it comes as a true. What if I will set the b value as Suraj again, and I'm rechecking the same, print a is b. At that point it says a true, means that double equal to operator is directly works by the is operator inside the identity operators in a Python. And what if like I just again resetting the value of b as a lead soft, and I will check for the is not, so print a is not b. It says true because the a is not equal to b. That's why it is set as a true. So to check their equivalency, we will have the special operator which is called as identity operator in Python, and that Python identity operator will works like such a way. Okay, this is called as an identity operator in Python, is and is not. And in not are to be used by such a way. For a part of example, what I will do, I will just create a string, okay, str1, sorry 1 equal to as lead soft. Okay, so we have done with this, and we will have a one single character as str2, which is I said like this is nothing but a. Okay, this is a and I'm printing the same, print str1 in str2, and hitting an enter, it will says false. The reason, because the a is separately not in there. Okay, that's why it is print as a same point over to there as a false. And what if like I just printing str1 in not str2, it will says, sorry, in and in not operator will be there. Okay, just let me check it once. The operator sequence, it changes at here. It must be like the same, print str1 not in str2. Now let's check the output. It says a true because the a is separately not acts as a string in between the lead soft. Okay, what if like I just changing the value of str1 as lead soft and multiple values it is associated with for, so I cannot write the multiple values in between them because this is a single string. We have not started with the arrays and all, so that's why we cannot check the not in operator execution. Okay, we will check the not in operator execution in the operation of the list, tuples and set as well. And the remaining operators we will have is all about the bitwise operator. We will see the bitwise operator at the next session. For this session we have seen arithmetic operators, relational operators, logical operator, assignment operator, and two special operators in Python, which is called as identity operator and membership operator. If you guys are watching this video, if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. Do subscribe to our channel. Keep watching the video so that you can get all the concepts related to the Python programming. Thanks for watching this video. Happy coding.